decided let me bake something just a little simple and very little cake. I don't know how it will come, but I want to bake a cake. So guys, come with me. Let us make a cake. So this is my flour already. This is my milk, my baking, my sugar, my vanilla, my what, my eggs, plus some oil. Yeah, everything from that, and I got the oil. So let's get into it. Here, as you can see, this is my 3 eggs already. So we have to add some sugar. And before I add some sugar, I have to add some pinch of salt. As you can see, this is salt. This is after the salt, I have to add my sugar. This is half a cup. Put it down, not too much. That is it. So we have to mix it, and I'm mixing it. Before you add some oil, this is my oil, and my milk is ready. 1 glass of milk. And we mix it. Okay, make sure to mix it well. That much. You remember we haven't put our baking. So that is my baking powder. That's my baking, and you mix it well. How to mix it so well. Okay, bring all the mixture and pour